So you already have created a WordPress blog website. Now you want to design the custom post category page. Let's say you have a design in your mind, or if you want to do a custom design implementation to your WordPress blog website category page, this video is for you. Today in this video, I will show you how you can do blog page category page design step by step. So if you're interested, keep watching the video from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm find this video helpful. So without further ado, let me dive deep to my computer screen and see how it works. Alright, so right now this is the WordPress dashboard. So currently I'm using Elementor theme here, Hello Elementor, which is coming from Elementor. And for the post, if I just show you, we have 3 posts and the category is diet category. If I show you the website right here, this is the front page of the website, and we have 3 categories right here: diet, bulking, and nutrition. So if I go to the categories under post, we have 3 categories: bulking, diet, and nutrition. So if I visit the diet category from here, as you can see, we have 3 posts, 1, 2, and 3. But this page looks very basic as it is category page. This is the default design which is coming from this Hello Elementor theme. We want to make it a little bit better and maybe in a grid format so that it looks better. So if I want to do it, we will need the plugin for this one. I mean, like Hello Elementor, and as a theme Hello Elementor, and the plugin Elementor and Elementor Pro. This one is paid version of Elementor. If you do not have the plugin, I will attach the link in the comment box. You can purchase it and then you will be able to use it and make a very beautiful design. Alright, so if I want to make this design, at first I need to go to the templates and click on add new. And once you click to the add new, here you need to select archive, and let's name it. You can name it anything, but I'm just putting something relevant. So let's put it diet category, and I click on create templates. Now it's gonna open the editing mode. It is taking a little bit time. Alright, so this is the template. We do not need to select anything from here. I just click on close, and then I click on plus. Let's use the flag box, and from here I will use this one because I want single column. And then here I will need this page title. So let's say I type search title, it says page title, just drag it right here, and it looks like this. Let's modify this a little bit, and I make it black right here. I want to modify the text size a little bit. Let's make it 33. Okay, that's good. And I want to make it capitalized, so it has a capital letter for all the words that this sentence contains. And let's make it either center or left, based depends on the choice that you think. And the text is good now. And for now, if I just get another section, but before doing that, let's have some space in between because it looks too small. So I click on the advanced for this section. I click on it and then click on advanced, click on the padding, increase it 50 for the top and maybe 50 for the bottom. And yep, that's it. You can change the section background color as well if you click on it, and then go to the style and click on this classic, click on the color. You'll be able to change this color like this. Right, so let's make it white for this one so that it matches the color. Maybe we can even use a deep color, maybe black, blue, or something like this. Though this is not the perfect color palette, but I'm just showing you how to do it. You can collect your color from Google or something. Or maybe if you have any specific brand color, definitely you're going to use it from here. So once you have the page title, the next task would be I will integrate all the blogs right here. So I take another section like this and type post, and we have this widget right here. I just drag it and it's gonna show all the posts. Yep, it is showing all the posts that we have in our website. And I want to select the card style. This is my personal favorite, but you can experiment all these three. But let's select the card for now. Once you do this, it looks a better design. And before moving to the text styling part, just get some space. So click on it, go to the advanced, and I want to click on it to install or activate the padding. Let's make it 50 at the top. Okay, now as you can see, we have some spaces. In order to make sure we have some spaces at the bottom right here, we just need to make the space at the bottom as well. Let's make it 80. And now as you can see, we have some space. I think we should have more spaces right here. Again, it depends on you, the space that you want. You can put the number and it will be changed. So it's 80 right now, and the image is good. We have the category name right here, and we have the title, we have the description, we have the date the post was published, and we have the number of comments that this post has. If we want to modify all these things, so we need to click on this pencil bar. So once we click to this pencil bar, now I need to go to the style, and let's click on the content. From here, I will be able to change the title typography. So if I click on the typography, and the sizing looks perfect, but still if you want to know how to change it, let's make it 22. As you can see, it is changing. If I increase it, it is being changed like this, but I think 22 should be okay for now. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can just adjust it from here. And the thickness, if you want to change it, just click on 400, it's thin. If you make it 700, it's a little bit bold, as you can see. So this is how you can control the thickness. If you want the space between two lines, you can do it like this. I want to keep it as it is. And if you want some spacing between the letters, you can also do it. In between the words, if you want some spaces, you can also do that. And for the text color, I want to make it entirely black. So let's just click on it and drag it like this. So it looks black now. And I want all the description to be showing in a different style. So if I come here, excerpt, this is the actual excerpt, I mean the description. So if I click on it, I want to make it black as well. So it's black. And now I want to make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 18. No, not 18. Let's make it, I guess, 16. Yep, it looks better. Now thickness is good. Let's keep it as it is. You already know what is line height, letter spacing, and the word spacing, so there is nothing new to explain again. And then the read more, this is the one. So if you want to make it black, just make it black. All right, one more thing important to show you. So if you do not know how I'm picking the black color, instead of black, if you want to put red, green, blue, yellow, or whatever the color is, just type Google. Type the color name first. Let's say I want to make it red, so red color hex code. Hit enter and you get the color code. Just copy this and paste it right here. As you can see, it's red now. So whatever the color that you want to pick, just type the color name. Let's say blue, hit enter. This is giving you the blue color hex code. Just copy it and paste it right here, and it's gonna give you the color. As you can see, it looks like this. So after that, you can do the same styling with this date and the comment. It will go with the same way. And the description looks too long, so I do not want to make this too long. Maybe I can just make it in between limited word. So if I click on the content, and then from here, if I go to excerpt length, let's make it 40. Okay, so once we update the page, we will be able to see it's actually 40. Sorry, it's 400. I'm sorry. Yeah, so 400, it will look 400 once you update that from this, and then if you go to the front end. Right now, it looks good, and I think that's the design. But if you want more changes like this, like before doing this, if you want image in between this part, you can do it. Let's say after this part, if you want a contact form, or if you want to put your social media like this, you can also do it. Like, let's say I take another section like this, and I take a social media just drag it right here, make the customization from the style, and then just put the Facebook link here, just put the Twitter link here. I mean, whatever the content that you want to put, you can just do the same process. And even let's say you want to have a button, maybe call to action and something, you can just do it. Just change the title, get our subscription or blah blah blah, something that you want to do, just do it and put the link. I mean, any content or any customization that you want to make, you can do it, as because in the left side you'll be able to see a lot of options, a lot of widgets by which you can make any type of design that you need. So I think that will be really okay to design any type of post page, category page that you want. So once this page is completely designed, now I want to publish it. So this part is really important to understand, because if you make mistake in this part, this option will not work properly. So once you click on the publish, now it will ask where do you want to demonstrate this design. So I click on add new condition. I want to apply this only for a specific category, which is this one, not for all of them, only for this one, right? So in order to do that, I just need to click add all archive. From here, I just need to select category. And now it is asking which category is that. So our category is diet. And now if I type diet, as you can see, we have the diets category here. Now you may have a question, where is this coming from? Let me show you where is this coming from actually. So if I go to post categories, as you can see, we have added diet. So if you have this category listed right here, then this will be appearing in this option. So once we select this, I just need to click save and close. This is very simple. So once you do this, this is the old looking design. Now, if I just reload this page, boom, this is the design that I just made. Okay. So instead of 400, if I want to make it, let's say 40 only, let's make it 40. Right now it looks too big, too long, so let's make it 40. And now if I just reload it, as you can see, it's small. So you can just make any type of customization like this. So if you think this is something that you want, you can do it like this. Or if you think you want to design in a different way, you can follow the same process but get some extra widget from this left side, and the design will be completely okay. So what do you think about this amazing feature of WordPress? Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would love to see your feedback. If you have any specific question or need further guidance, I'm available for personalized Zoom consultation. You can ask me anything related to website development, WordPress, and so on. Not only that, if you want me to be hired for your website development or WordPress related project, I will attach all the link in the comment box in the description. You can check it out. And finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe through the channel so that you can get more helpful content like this. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.